Today I have two Swiss Army knives from VICTORINOX. I appreciate Taryn sending these out for review. I have an Evolution 14 grip and the Recruit. We're going to start with the Evolution 14 grip. It has 14 functions. It has key ring, toothpick, tweezers, nail file, nail cleaner, corkscrew, bottle opener, wire stripper, a 5mm lockable screwdriver, a can opener, a 3mm screwdriver, a reamer, a punch, and a sewing awl. And don't forget, it has serrated edge scissors. Now we're just going to open up a few of them so everyone can see. This is a can opener, screwdriver. Here we have a flat head screwdriver. It's lockable with a bottle opener and a wire stripper. Got a nice large blade on this one. We have a nail file and cleaner. And I do have a damaged thumbnail over here, so I'm using this one and it's just a little bit tricky. And these are serrated edge scissors. I really like these. The Swiss Army knife has always had great scissors. Let's see if we just can't open up everything on here all at once and see what we have. You can see it has all these great features. We'll see if we can't get the tweezers out as well as the toothpick. Got just about everything you need in this little knife for everyday carry. Now we'll close it back up. And it has a little key ring, or you can put a piece of paracord on that one. Handy little knife, fits great in your watch pocket. Now we're going to go over to the Recruit. This has a nice large blade, as well as a small blade. Can opener, small screwdriver. And a flathead screwdriver and bottle opener and wire cutter. As you can see, I have just a little bit of KLP oil on it, the light version. And you have your tweezers and your toothpick as well. They have a decent edge right out of a box. Now we'll have a few final words. The only problem you have with Swiss Army knives is just knowing which one you want. And if you like the bearded sharpener, you're going to collect knives. And before too long, I'll do a demonstration on sharpening one of these. They have a lifetime warranty against defects, provided you don't do something stupid and just abuse it. Follow the Bearded Sharpener on Facebook, like and subscribe to this channel, share with all your friends. I'll have a link to the VICTORINOX website in the description box below. Till next time, the Bearded Sharpener.